In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up MetaTrader 5 performance. If you've ever experienced lag or slow response times while using MetaTrader 5, you know how it can affect your efficiency and overall trading experience. So, let's dive into some practical steps to optimize your MT5 and get it running at its best. First, let's address the clutter by closing unused charts. When you have multiple charts open simultaneously, they consume significant resources, impacting speed and performance. Take a moment to review the charts you have open and close, any that you're not actively using. This simple step can free up valuable processing power and lead to a noticeable improvement in speed. Next, let's talk about indicators. Having too many indicators running can drastically slow down your MetaTrader 5. Carefully evaluate which indicators are essential for your trading strategy and remove any that aren't providing value. By reducing the number of indicators, you're lessening the computational burden on your system, which can result in a swifter, smoother performance. Expert advisors or EAs can be incredibly helpful, but they also require resources to function. Limiting the number of EAs running on your platform will reduce the demand on system resources. Especially if you're not actively using them, it's wise to deactivate those you don't need. This change alone can make a significant difference in how efficiently your MT5 operates. Another practical step is to reduce the chart history. If MetaTrader 5 is storing too much historical data in charts, it can slow everything down. Head over to the Tools menu and select Options. There, open the Charts tab. You'll see two fields, Max Bars in History and Max Bars in Chart. Lower these values according to what suits your needs without compromising your analysis. By adjusting these settings, you decrease memory usage, allowing charts to load faster and boosting the overall performance of your platform. Clearing cached data can also help. This won't affect your stored trading data, but will remove unnecessary files that MT5 caches to speed up previously loaded charts and assets. Regularly clearing this cache can prevent sluggishness over time and refresh your platform, allowing you to continue using it efficiently. Let's not forget to disable any unnecessary news feeds or services. These features can be useful, but they also consume bandwidth and processing power. By disabling services you don't need, you can free up resources to help MT5 run faster and smoother. Finally, always keep your MetaTrader 5 updated. Developers regularly release updates that can include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. By keeping your platform up to date, you ensure you're benefiting from the latest optimizations and gaining the most from your trading software. Implement these tips, and you should notice a tangible increase in the speed and responsiveness of your MetaTrader 5 platform. Happy trading, and may you have a smooth, seamless experience.